Power up your projects with the PSA Angled Power Strip. Whether you're at a busy workstation, in the kitchen, or powering an industrial bench, the PSA Series from Westgate is your go-to power distribution solution. Choose from 2, 3, or 4 tamper-resistant 20-amp receptacles, and a built-in 20-amp overload protection switch ensures safety in high-demand settings. USB Type A and C charging ports make mobile power easy, all wrapped in a tough aluminum body and finished in sleek white, bronze, or brushed nickel. Knockout entries for Romex or BX conduit. Secure surface mounting with included screws. Plus, an easy-to-read wiring diagram is available in the box and on WestgateMFG.com, and available in 6 convenient sizes, ranging from 12-inch to 42 inches. Also coming soon, the PSA L, a 13 to 42-inch angled power strip with integrated lighting and 5 CCT adjustable color temperatures. The PSA Series from Westgate. Ready to mount, ready to go. To find out more, scan the QR code on screen or visit WestgateMFG.com and search PSA. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.